Let me share you one quick lighting workflow tip to save yourself time when creating lighting. Some of us used to add lights by going this add button and adding lights. This is good if you want to add separate and specific lights to your level. But if you're creating a level from scratch, you want to use Lighting Mixer. Let's go new level, select empty level, and go window and select environment Lighting Mixer. In this window you can immediately add all the lights, skies and clouds to your level. Just click on the element to add it. You can see that skylight is added to your project. And others as well. And tweak some property over here if you want. And you can see that your lighting is ready. If you like this quick tutorial, feel free to check out my other beginner-friendly tutorials about Unreal Engine. Thanks for watching, bye bye!